Warning for central Laurel County, northern Clay County, northwestern Lake County, southeastern Owsley County, northwestern Perry County until 7 a.m. At 5:01 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include London, Buckhorn, Treadaway, Burning Springs, Sacker Gap, Fall Rock, Laurel Creek, Chestnutburg, Mill Pond, Bernice, Malcolm, Sexton's Creek, Seidel, Kexley, Thomas, Shelty, Annie, Shepherdtown, Wildcat, and Grace. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7 a.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Clay, Leslie, Owsley, and Perry.
Alright. The FRX3 is serving its purpose. Doing a pretty good job. Now I need to find what radio stations have Jackson on it.
It's called
the ground. Driver arrested for DUI. At the station, police determined his blood alcohol level is .284, over 3 times the legal limit.
He blew .24, which means he had higher alcohol content than white.
Hello.
Turns out it was exactly that.
Alright, wow.
Nice. Roland, Ned.
This is hazards. This is our hazards. Kentucky. Let's put you right here.
Central Laurel County, northern Clay County.
Oh, I'm lucky to have a good reflexes. The reflexes are the best.
This is what it would look like if Transformers was shot as a low-budget.
7 degrees, the dew point 57, producing a relative humidity. Is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Alright.
So that pedestrians would be able to cross this highway in safety.
This one.
Judy, I brought you here today to the bridge that we met on because I wanted to be the bridge to
Prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Flood watch remains in effect through this evening. Sammy, Shepherdtown, what?
Alright.